Test. So the reason I started True North, and when I originally started the company, it was called Treknology. And the reason it was called Treknology was because I thought I was going to focus on travel-related products, and eventually changed the name of the company to True North. It really was because my passion for music was something that I really wanted to be able to pursue, but I also realized that it would never provide the financial foundation in my life. I was so naive. I had no idea how much time and effort and work it takes to start a company and build a company. When I made those first prototypes and tried them out myself, and I was the customer. I was making this for me. It was something that I wanted and needed. And I took those first packs out and hiked with them, and I was excited. I was like, oh my God, this is doing what I totally wanted. Then being able to give those initial prototypes to people who are also avid outdoors people and get their feedback and see how inspired they were by the packs and how much they loved them, I started to really get the sense that I was onto something in terms of creating a pack that wasn't just something that I loved, but that other people were also really responding to. The first product for True North was the recreational fanny pack that I designed, which was based on what I wanted and needed. But every product after that has been a result of somebody coming to us and saying, what I really need is, and then working with the customer to understand their world, basically. And the other part of that is that we recognize that they're the expert. And, I'll be talking to a wildland firefighter, and it's like, well, you guys are the expert. You're out there in the field every day using these products. Tell me what's working and what's not working. And it's 30 years later now, and it's not just the products you make, it's how you create the company that makes it successful. It's been such an amazing experience building this company, and the people that I'm working with, the relationships that I developed with our vendors, with our customers. I've loved going to trade shows, and every time you see people that you haven't seen in a year, and it's like running into old friends. There's this whole extended family feeling. What I think True North stands for is integrity and the creativity that we bring to our products and the sense of community that we've created as a company. And what's most important to me as a legacy is knowing that I've been able to create a company that provides jobs for people that not only are they well paid and have good benefits, but gives them some place to work where they actually enjoy being there. And that's the most important thing. It's amazing to think how it started with such a simple idea of creating a pack for my own personal use and getting more pleasure out of my backcountry experience has now morphed into the incredible range of packs that we make today.